To some people, coffee might be just a beverage or a refreshment, but it's a little bit more complicated and special. And let me show you my process of expressing coffee. I'm using the Rancilio Silvia V6, a single boiler machine, and the Latte 30 AP grinder. They are definitely not high in gears, but they're both solid entry-level machines that will do the job. As a single boiler machine, let's steam the milk first. Make sure the milk is spinning and making a hissing sound until it's a little bit too hot to hold and you know you're ready. Now our milk is ready, let's wait for the boiler to cool down, and meanwhile let's get onto the grind. The open portafilter we're using is a 21 gram basket. Therefore, we can fill the basket with 21 to 22 grams of coffee, and aim of the game is to extract about 40 grams of liquid in roughly 30 seconds. And here's probably the most important part, prepping the puck. To get the most consistent extraction, I'm using 2 paper clips. This will remove any big chunks or air channels in the puck. To flatten the puck, we're going to use the distribution tool. And lastly, we're going to use the temper to compress the puck. Now compress the puck, be firm, yet gentle, just don't overdo it. And finally, extraction time. And this is why we use an open-ended portafilter. It will tell you if you fucked up and make a complete mess, or it will reward you nicely. After it's all done, have a sip. Good morning, have a nice day, good night, and let's make another one tomorrow.